Washing machine.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Look, it's my leg. Can you see that? Can you see it? Look. Look. I hope you can see it. Because this is really uncomfortable. I've ripped it.
I can see that. You did that yourself?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
You did?
No, I didn't.
Sam, you did that yourself.
I didn't. And what that means is I can't be washed. I have to be repaired instead.
I can repair you.
You!
Yes, I created you. I can repair you.
Now look here, Frankenstein.
It's simple.
You're simple. What are you doing?
I'm grabbing something.
What are you grabbing?
A needle.
I don't like needles.
Don't be a baby. Lie down.
Piss off.
Lie down.
Make me.
Okay.
Oh, shit.